Hello, it's Adrienne. So I'm back with another slime video. So I actually just went to Walmart and found slime stuff, and I'm going to show you it. And then guess what? Make slime, because have slime video. So make slime. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So first thing I got at Walmart is these two Craze Art washable school glues, and they're 25 cents each. I would have got more, but there's only two left. So you can buy four for just $1. There's only, of course, two left. So only 50 cents for these two. And I got two clear glues. This one's empty though, and this one's full because I made a slime, a clear slime. It's not clear yet. I'm letting it overnight, so it'll be clear. So yeah, I got two of those for $3 because of the cents, and then I got 4 Elmer's white glues because it was 50 cents for each, and if you have $1, you can buy two. If you have $2, you can buy four for $2, which I think is pretty good. So 2 for $1, and then also I went to the paint aisle to get some coloring. I'll paint for pick a color. So there's 2 rows of 50 cents, pretty big. So I got 6 different ones, and it was only $3. So first one I got is pink eraser. Then I got lavender. And I'm telling you the names of them. Cool blue. Lime tree. I really like that color, and I like the lavender. Also, I got Key West, like a turquoisey, and then a very, very light blue and pale blue, China blue, which I thought was really pretty color. So, I also got 150 popsicle sticks for 88 cents. This is not all of them, because I'll spill out in the bag. So, but stuff I already have is measuring cups to measure, eye contact solution, baking soda, and a bowl to mix in. I need a bowl. Alright, so let's get on to making slime. So I think I'm gonna use one of these, and they're all 4 ounces. Every glue bottle is 4 ounces. I have no idea how to open it. I might have to open it that way. Yeah, right there. But you won't be able to see it in. Why it looks like a lot of glue is because it's a small container. And I've been thinking for a while, what color should I do? Well, I'm going to be doing lime tree. It's a lime green. Oh, I'm not paying attention, and I was going off to the side. So, more is coming. I'm trying to get as much as I can out of the bottle. Put it over there and fix it upside down so we can get to the bottom. But for some reason, I always. Oh, I'm sorry. Even though it's just glue, I sometimes mix it. Oh, jeez. Sorry. I'm just gonna give the glue a quick stir. And now I'm gonna get my color in. really should have opened this beforehand. Is there like a little slit? I'll be back when it's open. Actually, yeah. Okay. I finally got it open. Let's put some color in. That's a lot. It comes out fast, guys. It's in green. It looks different in the camera. So I recommend having a clear bowl so you can see if it's mixed in all the way by looking on the sides. You can see it didn't. Or you can let you stick in there. Usually you only need a little because it's already a vibrant color. I like the color better on the camera, actually. There is the color. So now I'm going to add some baking soda to use my hands. I'm going to mix that in. Clear bowls are helpful because, see, mixed it all the way. Get the cover. And I just remembered I don't have anything to put it in. I know. I'm gonna add. So if you're using 4 ounces, you usually need 3 tablespoons. No, not 3 tablespoons. 3/4 tablespoons. Not 1/4 tablespoon 3 times. So as you can see, it's still very droopy. Looks like it's going to get. It's actually really droopy. So add some more. Don't want to add too much. Then it's gonna get really rubbery, and you don't want that. Now, when you're stirring it, it looks like it's coming together. Yippee! And now I do that. It's really watery. I recommend using measurements. I just go for it. Measurements are probably better to do. Get off. Sorry. Measurements are probably easier. But guys, it's not sticky. Running. But I think let's just stir it real good. They're starting to stick up the sides, as you can see. I think I want a little bit more. Not too much. It might have been too much. See, now it's coming off and sticking to the popsicle stick. Right now, the thing I like about this method is that it's easier and less expensive to buy the stuff. And it's regular detergent doesn't make it stick off the bowl, and this method does. Oh my gosh, I just obsessed with this color. I love this color so much. It's sticky though. That's not good. I don't want sticky. So, mix. Oh, neat. Sorry you can't see my face. Just I'm trying to sit up. There. Oh no, something just flew. Just a few drops. So, Yeah, so I really like this slime. Just, you guys don't want to add too much. Okay, I just finished up the slime and it's perfect. I love it. But that's the end of this video, so hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below in the video. Leave a comment down below on this video what you want to see in my next video. And my slime came out perfect. I love it. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. If you like this video, well, like. If you dislike because it's fine, and I need you guys to dislike if you don't like it. But if you do like it, please like it. And if you don't, well, dislike it. It's fine because I need to know your opinion. So thanks for watching. Bye.